Hey everyone, how y'all doing? I'm Vinci and today we'll take a look at the Deco Mini7 V2, which is a drawing tablet by XP-Pen. So first we'll unbox it, then we'll test it. Well, I already opened the box to see if it's working, but just pretend like I didn't tell you. Basically, I like the packaging, to be honest. And the price is good. The price of this tablet was $60. So it's really good for new artists who want to learn digital art. Now the tablet comes with a pen, of course, with 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, which means when you press harder on the pen, the lines will appear thicker or darker as you want. And that point really helps artists like me in drawing. Now, when you unbox it, you'll find the main thing, which is the tablet. It's protected by a piece of plastic and it's satisfying to remove it. Oh god, it itches the back of my brain. Yeah, that's the tablet. The size of the tablet is really good and I like the design. Simple. You have shortcut buttons on the left side which you can customize. Now that drawing surface has a pretty good texture that makes you feel like drawing on a paper. Like, of course, it's a little slippery. And it also has 4 rubbery pads on the back so it doesn't move while drawing. I like that. I also like the design of the dots, which is also creative. You see how it reflects with the light. Now let's move on to the next item in the box. So here we have our elegant pen, which is really comfortable to hold, and also it has 2 buttons. The design of the pen is nice and traditional. The pen also comes with small rings and some tips for it. Now we have the cable to connect the tablet with your PC, and as I said before, you can also connect it with your phone with this adapter which comes in the box, a USB-C adapter. I can't really show you how to draw with the tablet in my phone unless I stop filming, so and lastly, the guide. Yeah, the guide. We artists don't need that. We don't read that thing. Let's test the tablet. Right, once you connect your tablet to your PC, a small light will appear to show you that the tablet is on. That's it. Now I'm using the program Blender, which is basically a 3D modeling program, but you can also draw in 2D with it. So when you move your pen over the tablet, a small dot will appear on your PC, as you can see. Exactly where you put your pen. If I put it up here, it will appear up in my screen. Now if I click on it, it will click exactly. Now let's move on to the fun part, which is drawing, of course. Let's change the pen to ink pen. As you can see, the pressure sensitivity works really well. When I press lightly, the line appears thin. When I apply some pressure, the light is thicker, which really helps you in drawing, especially in lining your anime characters or your art. Now you can experiment with that until you get used to it. Now of course you can customize your buttons, so I have the upper button to The tablet of course helps you in college like me, so you can write with it. By the way, I will draw a full drawing with this tablet and I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe and to follow up. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you need any other videos like that one for testing products and art supplies, just let me know. And subscribe.